हेलो दोस्तों। तो चलते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ, जिसका टॉपिक है एनजीपीएन एफटीटीएच और ये ईबी सेक्शन का एक पार्ट है। तो पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, व्हाट डज एफटीटीएच स्टैंड फॉर? फाइबर टू द होम। बी आंसर। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी ड्राइवर फॉर न्यू एक्सेस टेक्नोलॉजी लाइक एफटीटीएच? तो ग्रोइंग डिमांड फॉर हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट। विच एक्सेस टेक्नोलॉजी आर कॉमनली यूज फॉर ब्रॉडबैंड एक्सेसेस? तो डीएसएल एंड केबल मॉडेम टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होती थी। What is the one advantage of FTTH over traditional access technologies? तो वहाँ पे इसमें क्या है, हायर बैंडविड्थ कैपेसिटी है, बैंडविड्थ का कोई ऐसा रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है। What does FTTX stand for? तो फाइबर टू द एक्स। बी, what does X in FTTX represent? तो all of above means सेंटर ऑफिस, होम, बिल्डिंग, कुछ भी हो सकता है। What is the definition of FTTH? Fiber to the home. C. What is the primary configuration of access network using optical fiber cable? तो FTTH. What is the main difference between FTTB and FTTH? तो termination point. What is the transitional stage of FTTH? तो FTTC. What is the primary technology used FTTH? तो फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स यूज होती है इसमें। What is the termination point in FTTC architecture? तो this is a curve. What does FTTH provides end user with? तो 13 का C, broad range of communication and entertainment services. What is the benefit of deploying FTTH for service provider? Ability to provide cutting edge technology and best in class services. 15. What technology option are available for FTTH architecture? तो पैसिव ऑप्टिकल नेटवर्क, पॉन, एक्टिव ऑप्टिकल, तो बोथ होती है इसमें। विच इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एक्टिव ऑप्टिकल नेटवर्क इम्प्लीमेंटेशन? तो बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। तो इसका होम रन फाइबर। सी, व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ होम रन फाइबर आर्किटेक्चर? हायर बैंडविड्थ फॉर एंड यूजर। व्हाट डज ओएलटी स्टैंड? 18 ऑप्टिकल लाइन टर्मिनेशन। बी, what is the purpose of OLT? So to provide aggregation and switching functionality between core network and PON interface. What does ONU ONT provides? Access to users. Which PON standard uses ATM as transport method? So B PON. What are the downstream rates supported by GPON? Up to 1.25 GPS. Which PON standard supports Ethernet for layer 2 data encapsulation? EPON. What is the maximum distance between OLT ONU in PON architecture? So this is 15 kilometer. What is the split ratio of EPON? So 1:4, 1:8, 1:16 and 1:32. B. What is the purpose of centralized splitter approach in PON architecture? To increase the number of homes feed from one fiber. A answer will be right. Which is the main advantage of cascaded splitter approach? Increase distance coverage. D answer. Which PON standard is suitable for BSNL NGN? GPON. What is the purpose service on BSNL FTTH network? तो basic internet access, TV or IP, bandwidth on demand, all of above. D answer will be right. What is the primary conclusion regarding FTTH deployment? GPON and GEPON are suitable for technology BSNL. C answer will be right. What are the features of different PON standard? तो responsible standard body bandwidth layer 2 protocol all of above सही हो जाएगा. What the main difference between A PON and B PON? Bandwidth capacity. Which IEEE stand is associated with EPON? तो 802.3 B. What is the role of ONU in PON architecture? Termination of optical signal. What is the maximum splitter ratio in GPON? 1:32. What is the following characteristic of EPON? तो use TDM for upstream transmission. What is the advantage of GPON over EPON? The greater distance coverage. C. What does NG-PON2 stand for? Next Generation Passive Optical Network 2. Next Generation Passive Optical Network 2. What is the main purpose of NG and PON2? To increase the bandwidth capacity of PON network. To increase the bandwidth capacity of PON network. Which of the following is a feature of NG and PON2? Support multiple wavelength on a single fiber. A will be right. What is the primary advantage using wavelength division multiplexing in PON? Increase bandwidth capacity. What is the typical wavelength used downstream transmission in PON? तो 42 का SFE यूज होती है 1550 nm. Which component is responsible for splitting the optical signal in PON? Splitter. What is the purpose of reflector in PON? To redirect the signal back to the sender. C answer. Which of the following is a disadvantage of PON architecture? The vulnerability to signal interface. C. What is the role of optical network terminal ONT in FTTH deployment? To terminate the optical signal at the customer premises. What are the primary challenges in deploying FTTH network? High cost of installation and maintenance. What is the expected growth rate of FTTH subscribers globally? The 15 to 20% annually. Which region has highest penetration of FTTH subscriber? The Asia Pacific. What is the significance of FTTH in context of smart cities? So enable high speed internet access to the resident and business facilities to the deployment of IoT service and sensor. ये भी है support the advanced communication and transportation system all up above. तो दोस्तों वीडियो कैसी लगी? अगर अच्छी है तो लाइक और कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा और चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा क्योंकि अभी रात के 2 बजे हुए हैं और मैं आपके लिए वीडियो बना रहा हूं. बाकी कोई क्वेरी और क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा. पीडीएफ आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.